guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about Geritol for hair growth. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. All right, let's hop right into it. Okay, so I have not posted a video in such a long time, but over on my social media, I talk about Geritol a lot, and I realize every time I bring it up, it goes viral or the video does very, very well. And I realized I never talked about it on YouTube. Well, I think I mentioned it a few times, but I kind of just like breezed by it. So I kind of wanted to do a more in-depth video talking about Geritol, my experience with it, and how I think it just is amazing. So first and foremost, this video is not sponsored. I do not know the people at Geritol or anything like that. It's just a multivitamin that I've consistently taken for the past 3 or 4 years now. Well, no, actually, it hasn't even been that long, maybe like 3 years. I think I started during COVID, like around when we were on lockdown. I started taking Geritol, and you guys know that my hair went through a lot because it was really, really damaged from dyeing it and then basically just like forgetting all about it. Like I wasn't taking care of my hair properly when my hair was dyed with that box dye. First of all, don't box dye your hair at home. That's a whole different other video, but I wasn't properly taking care of my hair, so it just was like really, really broken off. And I didn't want to do like a huge big chop, so I was like constantly just like cutting off the breakage, and then my hair was like probably like the shortest it's been in a really, really long time, but it's since grown back, and I'm excited about that because all of the color is out of my hair. I didn't have to do a big chop. I just consistently would like chop, 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 chop until all the color was gone. And now, as you can see, all the color is gone. So I'm excited to see how long I can actually grow my hair. Okay, so the main things that definitely helped me grow out my hair when it was at that state was, of course, my Shebe Infused Hair Growth Oil. And I have news about that. So our Shebe Infused Hair Growth Oil is now in a scent-free version. So it doesn't have any scent or anything like that. And I am offering 50% off right now. So you can go on MiriamHanson.com and get the Shebe Infused Hair Growth Oil for 50% off with the code NEWSHEBE. So of course, oiling my scalp every single night and massaging my scalp was very, very, very great. So that was one of the things. And then of course, I use our Maximum Strength Hair Growth Moisturizer to help me retain length. So your hair is going to grow regardless, but you really, really, really want to focus on retaining that length, because a lot of people, that's where a lot of people struggle. They think their hair isn't growing, where really it is growing, but it's just not retaining length because it's constantly breaking off due to many different factors. And finally, the last thing that I think really, really helped was the Geritol. So Geritol has been around for many, many years. I actually used to take it when I was a kid as well. My mom took Geritol, my grandmother took Geritol. So this has been in my family for like forever. So when I thought about taking multivitamins, I'm getting older, so I'm like, I need to really incorporate a multivitamin into my lifestyle. A couple of years back, I immediately thought to just start taking Geritol because that's what my family members always took. So my mom really, really loved the liquid version, and I freaking hated the liquid version. But when I figured out they had a pill form, I was like, okay, I will just go ahead and take the pill form. So I'm a firm believer in taking care of the inside first and foremost. And I think that if you're healthy on the inside, of course, everything else is going to flourish. Your skin is going to flourish. Your hair is going to flourish. All of that. So when I was doing my research and stuff on Geritol, I realized that Geritol has a lot of iron in it. And iron is really, really good for your body. So iron is really, really good for your body. And a lot of people have an iron deficiency. So I'm pretty sure I must have had an iron deficiency because, you know, stuff in my body just wasn't behaving the way that I think that it should behave. So when I started taking the Geritol, I realized like, okay, I definitely was lacking some of the vitamins that I needed. And I'll put here a list of some of the most essential vitamins needed in order to have healthy hair growth. Most of those vitamins are inside of the multivitamin Geritol. Another thing on social media I get a lot is people telling me that I shouldn't be promoting vitamins and stuff like that because you know, that's not something that you should do. And I, as an influencer, definitely feel that they are correct. I can only tell you what I use and what works for me. Everything isn't going to work for the next person, but I can tell you what worked for me. And of course, always check with your doctor before taking any type of supplements, vitamins, anything that you take orally. So having a balanced diet, eating healthy, exercising, just making sure that your body is on point is definitely going to help you to have healthy hair growth and have a healthy lifestyle. Didn't really experience any side effects while taking Geritol. It was just pretty much normal to me. The hair just grows, just grow. My hair grew everywhere. I don't know if that was a side effect, but maybe I'm just a hairy person. I don't know, but my hair definitely grew. It just grew. Like with everything that I was doing, my hair was just growing rapidly. But yeah, make sure that you are taking care of your inside as well as your outside, and you should definitely see some type of progress in your hair growth journey. But that is about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Hit the bell so notifications come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton at MH Hair Care, and I will see you guys next time.